Okay. Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration? What did it signify the triumph of? Page number 24. Question answer of Nelson Mandela. Why did... Hello. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Do you listen to me? Okay. तो क्वेश्चन है, why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration? What was the reason? क्यों इतना लोग इकट्ठा हुए थे? And non-racial government of South Africa. What did it signify the triumph of? ये किस चीज के जीत का सिंबल है? It is the symbol of, or it signifies the triumph of justice, democracy, and peace, human dignity, etc. What does Nelson Mandela mean when he says he is simply the sum of the African patriots who had gone before me? ये क्या सिग्निफाई करता है? He is the sum total of all the African patriots who had gone before him. इसका क्या मतलब है? बोलिए. A large number of people have sacrificed their lives and they have died for the cause of the nation, and many patriots have devoted their lives or sacrificed their lives. He means to say that each and every patriot is creditable for the freedom he has got. Yes, it is he is paying tribute to all the patriots. Yes, he is paying tribute means he just want to welcome or give respect to all those patriots who have struggled and sacrificed their lives for the nation. Third question. Acha. Question number 2 of, what is this? Question number 2 of oral comprehension check. Which page? Which page? Page number? Your question to Gayam. $24. Okay. Third question. Would you agree that the depth of operation create heights of character? Yes or no? Depth of operation create the heights of character. Yes, very good. How does Mandela illustrate this? Mandela इसको कैसे illustrate करते हैं? बताइए. This is the world history of human beings, that those who have been oppressed, or those who have been troubled, those who have been depressed, have become the leaders, and they have led the nation. They have earned name and fame for themselves, just like Nelson Mandela. That's why he says that the brutality as well as the, you may say, operation has created the character like Thomas Cranbrook, Walter Sisslus, Robert Sobux, Chief Lucius, Yusuf Tandus. These people have been created because they were also suppressed, because they have been suppressed, they have been oppressed, they have been shown brutality and cruelty. Yes. Can you add your own example to this argument? Can you add your own example? बोलिए. Actually, when someone is oppressed, he becomes more tough. He becomes a tough. Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, everyone is like that. Mahatma Gandhi. There are so many examples. Khudiram Bose, very good. Now, the fourth question. How did Mandela's understanding of freedom change with age and experience? एज और एक्सपीरियंस के साथ नेल्सन मंडेला का फीलिंग कैसे चेंज होता है? जैसे जैसे उनका एज बढ़ता है, जैसे जैसे उनका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता है, तो उनका फीलिंग भी चेंज हो जाता है. कैसे? तो कहते हैं कि पहले ही वाज नॉट, और यू मे से दैट, hungry for freedom. At first, not born with a hunger to be free. In his boyhood, he was satisfied to go outside at night, to swim, to sit on the back of the bull, and to do whatever he liked. As long as he accepted this freedom and obeyed his father and the laws of the nation, or the laws or the custom of his tribe, there was no trouble. But very soon he realized that his boyhood freedom is an illusion. As a student, he wanted to be away from his home at night. Slowly he saw that he was not free, because his brothers and sisters were also not free, and their freedoms have been curtailed. When he realized this, he understood that he must join the African movement of getting the freedom. And this freedom became the freedom of, this hunger of freedom became the hunger of freedom for everyone. Political freedom he got. He just started, you may say, feeling hunger for political freedom also. Just someone has written also. He wanted self-respect also. He wanted self-dignity also. He wanted to do what he liked. He wanted to marry with the people he wants. So these were the things that he realized later on with his age and experience. Next question. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? मंडेला के हंगर फॉर फ्रीडम जो है उसके जीवन को कैसे बदल दिया? तो कैसे बदल दिया? मंडेला पहले क्या किया? हंगर फॉर फ्रीडम उसको नेशनल मूवमेंट को ज्वाइन करने के लिए कहा. ही वॉज इंस्पायर्ड टू ज्वाइन नेशनल मूवमेंट फॉर सेटिस्फाइंग हिज हंगर ऑफ फ्रीडम. He wanted that his people should live with dignity and self-respect. This definitely made him fearless, and he became a bold man. He was a attorney, lawyer, law-abiding citizen, but he became a criminal. He was a family-loving husband, but he became homeless or rebel. Very good. He was a very life-loving person, but he had to become a monk. These are the things that you may say came in his life, and thus his life changed. Anything more that you want to ask, you can ask or type your question. Yes, Vidya Rai Chaudhary. He got a hunger for freedom. His countrymen and not only for himself, he joined the political organizations. Right. Anything more that you want to ask? Page number 24. Yes. What did being free mean to Mandela as a boy and as a student? I think this is the question. How does he contrast these transitory freedoms with the basic and honorable freedoms? Question है कि what did being free mean to Mandela as a boy and as a student? मंडेला के लिए एज ए स्टूडेंट और एज ए बॉय फ्रीडम का मतलब क्या होता है? ये क्वेश्चन. मंडेला जब बच्चे थे तो उनके लिए फ्रीडम का मतलब क्या होता था? और स्टूडेंट जब था तब उसके लिए फ्रीडम का मतलब क्या होता था? हाउ डज ही कंट्रास्ट दिस ट्रांजिटरी फ्रीडम्स विद द बेसिक एंड ऑनरेबल फ्रीडम्स? ये बेसिक और ऑनरेबल फ्रीडम को कैसे वो कंट्रास्ट करते हैं? कैसे कंट्रास्ट करते हैं? ये ट्रांजिटरी फ्रीडम है. ये बचपन वाला जो फ्रीडम है इसको ट्रांजिटरी का था. ट्रांजिटरी का मतलब था मोमेंटरी, क्षणिक. कुछ क्षण के लिए आजादी थी बचपन में वो चाहते थे. बाद में उनको बेसिक एंड ऑनरेबल फ्रीडम चाहिए था. तो सबसे पहले एज ए बॉय वो क्या चाहते थे कि फ्री का मतलब है टू मूव फ्रीली और टू रोम फ्रीली in his field, in his village. ये एज ए बॉय वो जानते थे. टू स्विम इन द स्ट्रीम्स. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फीलिंग. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम फॉर नेशनल मंडेला एज ए बॉय. एज ए स्टूडेंट Mandela wanted the freedom to stay out at night and read what he liked and go where he wanted to go. एज ए स्टूडेंट यही चाहते थे कि जो मन है वो पढ़ें, जब तक मन है देर में बाहर रहें, जैसे हॉस्टल में तुम लोग चाहते हो, और जब तक जहां मन है वहां जाएं. ये स्टूडेंट के रूप में उसको फ्रीडम चाहिए. लेकिन ये कहता है ट्रांजिटरी फ्रीडम है. ट्रांजिटरी का मतलब मोमेंटरी, कुछ क्षण के लिए ये चाहिए, कुछ क्षण से ज्यादा नहीं. इसलिए कहता है कि दिस इज ए मोमेंटरी. ये फ्रीडम तो है लेकिन मोमेंटरी है, ट्रांजिटरी है. ट्रांजिटरी मतलब क्षणिक है, कुछ समय के लिए, बहुत कम टाइम के. अब कहता है कि जब उसका बेसिक और ऑनरेबल फ्रीडम का मतलब जब वो गवान हो गया, तब वो क्या चाहता था? तब वो चाहते थे कि he wanted to he wanted to achieve his potential. उनके अंदर जो क्षमता थी वो करना चाहते थे, उनके अंदर की क्षमता को वो करना चाहते थे। और अर्निंग हिज कीप, वो चाहते थे to marry with the lady of his choice, अपने मन की शादी करना चाहते। वो और क्या चाहते थे? वो चाहते थे कि लॉफुल, जैसे लॉफुल लाइफ में जो भी मिले वो जीना चाहता था। दैट्स एनीथिंग मोर? that you want me to discuss? Anything else? There may be technical problem, maybe some technical problem. That's why you are not able to. Are you not listening to me? Listening to me or not? Otherwise, I think some of you are listening to me, and some of you are not listening to me. I can't say why does it happen, but this may be technical problem. Maybe technical problem. Maybe technical problem. Otherwise, I am audible to someone and not audible to someone. Okay. Anything more? Sometimes maybe this may be technical problem. Sometimes, but most of the times, I think you will be audible. I'll talk to the computer teacher. Why does it happen? Sir, automatically left हो जा रहा हूँ मैं. That I don't know why does it happen. Anything more that you want to ask? I am not having poor network. I am already in Bengal like you, and I am already in the class. Wi-Fi is also active. Wi-Fi is also active. I am connected with Wi-Fi also. I am sitting in the entrance of this school. You can see the picture behind me. Anything more that you want to ask? मीनिंग ऑफ इल्यूजन मतलब होता है भ्रम, माया, सबय माया। वो झूठ मानना था कि हम आजाद हैं। ये आजाद था नहीं बचपन में, लेकिन इसको लग रहा था कि हम आजाद हैं। यही इल्यूजन है जो हम गलत ही समझ लेते हैं। He mistook it for freedom, but actually it was not freedom. यही इल्यूजन है। इल्यूजन का मतलब सबय माया, सब झूठ, सब झूठ है। इसी को बोलते हैं इल्यूजन। बाजू के, बाजू के। I couldn't understand. Meaning of illusion I have already discussed. That I don't know. What Vajuje, I don't. Anything more?